Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. So after my last tutorial of the night sky, which will be on the description below, I wanted to do the same scenario but just a daytime sunset version of it, because why not? I feel like they look so cute together, and I'm going to try and make this as easy and as basic as possible. This is going to be perfect for you beginners out there, and if you are more advanced you can add more to it. I hope you enjoy. I started off by putting masking tape around the edges of my canvas, and I'm going to draw a sun shape on this masking tape, and I'm going to cut this shape and stick it where I want my sun to be placed so that it leaves a nice clean white space until the end of the painting. This will just make things easier later on. I'm going to use 4 colours for this piece: blue, red, yellow and white acrylic paint. I'm using a ruler to draw my horizon line with yellow paint here. And then I'm using a bigger brush to cover the whole canvas in a yellowy, orangey, bright sunny colour. I just had this vision in my head of a very burning kind of sunset, so I just want to go very bold and strong with my colours, and you might want to tone it down a little bit. It's completely up to you. There is no right or wrong way to do this. You can blend the colours however you like. I'm blending red into the yellow towards the top of the canvas, and I'm making it lighter around the middle where the sun is placed. And the bottom half of the canvas is going to be a reflection of everything on the top half, because that's where our water is going to be, and I'm just going to blend this out. Here I'm just tapping the edge of my painting knife into this white paint, and I'm just going to make my horizon line clear again. You can choose to leave your masking tape on the sun until the very end if you like, but I just wanted you guys to see things clearly during this tutorial, so I'm just going to take it off now. I'm piling white paint onto this brush, and I'm just going to tap this brush onto the bottom half of my horizon line right below the sun, and it's just going to create that shimmery reflection of the sun. I'm going to pick up my painting knife again, and I'm going to use it to create lines on the other areas of this water, and I feel like this technique is the easiest way to create an instant water effect. I love it so much, and if you don't have a painting knife you can use a ruler instead, and it will achieve the exact same results. So now I'm going to mix red and blue here to make a dark brown colour. this brush to make some bushes here at the front, and I'm just going to work on that. So here I'm just using a textured sponge and I'm just tapping it onto the canvas. I'm going to create some highlights on this now by mixing yellow and red together. I'm just trying to get a lighter colour, and I'm using the same brush. I didn't wipe it or wash it because I really don't need to. I'm just going to go in and tap that colour into random areas to make it more three-dimensional and more realistic. Here I'm just neatening up my moon because I didn't do this earlier when I took off the masking tape. I'm drawing my birds here, and normally I would paint my birds on directly with a thin brush, but I really wanted to mirror the birds from my nighttime painting, so I'm just going to draw it out so that it's quite accurate because I just feel like they will look so pretty together if I have them this way. Time to take the masking tape off, and although this is my favourite part of the process, I must admit I do get a little bit anxious whenever I peel this off because I worry that maybe the masking tape didn't stick on as well as I thought it did, and it would just mean extra work if the paint did bleed through. You'll always get a few areas, but if they are small you can just easily cover them up with white paint. So after taking the masking tape off, I felt like the water needed a little bit more depth. So I'm just mixing red and yellow here, and I'm going a little bit more heavier on the red to make the water a little bit more darker in some areas than the current colour of the water. And I'm just going to do simple little lines in random spots of this water, and it should be enough to give it some depth. And that's it. This is the final look, and this is what it looks like with the night sky painting next to it. I feel like these two complement each other so well, and if you do make both of these, I feel like they should always be placed together and never alone. The tutorial for the night sky painting will be in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and give this video a like if you did like it, and please don't forget to subscribe if you do want to see more. Take care, until next time, goodbye.